Hello YouTube and welcome. It's been a while, but you know, everyone needs a vacation, everyone needs more sun, sea, sand, and what better device to bring with you on the beach than a metal detector, just like the Explorer XG I have here, manufactured by Kaiweets. It's a relatively cheap metal detector, but it combines lots of interesting features. The product is nicely packed, it's really hard to get it damaged during transportation. The product features double D waterproof coil, meaning you can fully submerge it for underwater detection. For protecting the control panel from water splashes, Kaiweets provides this waterproof case. The retractable rod is really light, well manufactured and fully extended, can reach a length of 130 centimeters. On the back of the rod we have an adjustable armrest. I'm sure you saw the headphones, which are really cheap, but you can always use your own. The product comes with retractable all-metal shovel, which depending on your needs can be turned into a pickaxe. When fully retracted, it has really small and convenient form factor. And lastly, Kaiweets provide us with this backpack for carrying all the equipment. Let's assemble it and see how it handles. Here it is in its full glory. It's really light, it fits your arm really well, and as you can see, it's long enough. I am 180 centimeters tall. The device has 5 work modes. Currently we are in all metal mode, where it can detect iron nails, nickel coins, aluminium pull tabs, zinc coins with different metal composition, and from 85 up to 99 is all silver. In discrimination mode we can make the device detect only certain metal compositions like zinc coins as it's currently set, or we can add also iron nails. In jewelry mode the device detects all metals excluding iron. In memory mode we can make the device memorize and detect only a specific metal compositions, like let's say 50 euro cents. For this to happen, we have to first introduce the coin to the detector's coil. And from now on, the device will detect only 50 euro cents or coins with similar metal composition. Lastly, we have pinpoint mode for better localization of the metal object. In this mode, we don't have to constantly move the detector's coil back and forth. Using this button, we can change the sensitivity of the device. And using this button on the other side, we can change the volume of the tone, or we can switch on and off the backlight. Here I have this all plastic bucket of sand, nothing metal around it or in it. Using the bucket and the sand, I will verify the maximum depth the device can detect this coin of 1 euro. I will begin with 5 centimeters. As you can see, the device is successfully detecting the coin. Going deeper, 10 centimeters. Again, a successful detection. Even deeper, 15 centimeters. Well, obviously, it's getting harder for the detector to detect the coin. You have to move the coil back and forth really fast. And that's 20 centimeters. No detection, nothing. Well, I think that about 15 or probably 16 centimeters is the maximum depth this detector can detect a coin of 1 euro. Let's try the pinpoint mode. Again, almost no detection. Of course, if I bring the coil down to the bottom of the bucket, we're getting a higher signal. Nothing. Yeah, about 15 to 16 centimeters is the maximum depth this detector can detect a coin of €1. That's it, fellas. I think I've managed to share enough information about the product. It's a really nice entry-level metal detector. Nothing amazing in it, except probably the price. €125 is a real bargain. Well, till the next time, bye guys!